Top of the good morning to you, everybody. You can see that little bit of concealer. I've come in with a little bit of concealer this morning already. Done my eyebrows with this amazing Rimmel Brow Pro Micro. Wicked little spoolie on the other end of it. And the pencil is amazing. So I've got no gel on there at this point. And it just gives you the fine lines where we have hair missing. We are doing a full Rimmel look today. So just coming in with a hashtag Insta Conceal and Correct from Rimmel. And we're just going to use this salmon colour down here to take that little, I don't use much of it. And I do take it up in the corner of my eyes. It's quite dark. And then across my lid, just to brighten that up a little bit. And then just dab it in. Alright guys, I'm just going to come in with the Insta CC primer in the colour Peach. And it says that it is actually colour correct at the same time. So, warm it up in my little fingers. I'll just let that set for a second before I come in with the foundation. Ivory coloured full coverage Rimmel Lasting Finish with SPF 20 in it. Whoa, probably a little bit too much there. I have to put this hair up. Come in with my dab beauty blender. Okay, it's blended in quite well. I'm very happy. I have not got a concealer from Rimmel, so I'm just going to skip that step today. Coming in now with the Insta Fix and Matte translucent powder, just to set that foundation. This is the beauty of camera. I just had to duck out for about 10-15 minutes to help hubby out with something. So anyway, coming back with our Rimmel Natural Bronzer, 022 Sun Bronze. So I'm just going to stipple this on. It's a beautiful bronzer. Coming back around, creating a little bit of shadow. And then joining it up at the top here in the hairline to create that shadow as if you have a smaller forehead. For me, not everybody needs to do this. And then sometimes you'll see me come under here and just create a little bit of a shadow. And another tip for the Cupid's bow, but you've got to be very soft with it, is to just put a little bit of bronzer to create that shade as if the Cupid's bow is deeper than what it is. So I don't know if you just saw that, but that's actually created a little bit of a deep concave in there. Made it look bigger than what it actually is. So I'll blend that out in a little bit. This is just an everyday look today, guys. I'm not going anywhere. Hubby is at work out there, so okay, bronzer is on. Coming in now with the Maxi blush in 006 exposed. So it is quite pigmented, so I'm just gonna come in a little bit softer. and then drift it back up through the bronzer itself. It's quite pretty. It's pink, but it's a little bit dark for me, which is why I use it a little bit sparingly. As I brush it all over my face. Rod's out there on a conference call, so I'm trying to be quiet. Alrighty. Highlighter. My favourite part actually. I don't know why. Highlighting the face is quite nice. So this is the Rimmel, pretty sure it's the 04. And I normally always go with the gold. So I'm going to come in with the pink one today. Do something a little bit different. Hopefully it's nice enough. It's quite pretty actually. There you go, I've never used it, hey. The centre, the forehead, and of course coming down the centre of the nose, across the Cupid's bow, with that little bit of bronzer in there to deepen up that Cupid's bow depth. It'll make it look higher, that's basically what it does. Very cute. How about that? Had that all this time. Never used it. Always gone for the golden one in the middle. There you go. At this point, I'm just going to come in with the hashtag Insta Fix and Go setting spray. Before I go in with my eyeshadow, my hoopy doopy thing. Got a bit of a Celine Dion Titanic moment going on there. We're so good. These fans work so well. This is just a little Euromatic. Pretty sure hubby just picked it up from Bunnings. Fantastic. That's the 5th speed. It's got 5 speeds on it. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, just coming in with that Rimmel palette. They've got no names on them, so I'm just going to come in with the second one along, which is a cream colour, which I'll just use as the transition colour. Okay, coming in with the 4th one along, which is a matte. It's just like a brown, it's using the same brush. Kind of matches my bronzer really. Now these are quite pigmented, so I'm not going to come in too strong at all or too heavy. Just on the outside, and I'm going to drag it up into the crease. Just doing a nice soft everyday look today, so don't even think I'll be using eyeliner or do a wing, so just a nice soft look. And holding the brush quite low down. The lower you hold it, the more control you actually have. It's quite subtle, but it's quite pretty. I'm just coming in with a blending brush. While I'm here, I'm going to come in with my e.l.f. I think it's a crease brush actually, but I do love this for coming in underneath, getting that colour down below. I'm just looking up. Alrighty. So I've basically only used the transition colour this lovely little brown colour, and now I'm going to come in with a shimmer. I'm actually going to come back in with my Kate highlighting palette, and I'm going to come in with my good old gold in the middle here. Look, and I'm just going to dab that in the centre. And coming back to the Rimmel palette, I am going to go into the first colour, the white there, and come into the corner of my eyes. That's quite pretty. So knowing that it's highly pigmented, I'm just going to lightly come in under the brow there. Right, just going to finish it off again with a little bit of okay guys, that's basically my finished look for today. Don't have a Rimmel lipstick, unfortunately. So coming in with Maybelline 24 Hour Stay, and the colour, I cannot read it. They are brilliant lipsticks, these lipsticks, they last all day. There we go. And then once it's tacky, we come in with the other end of it. As you can see, that's quite tacky now, so it's dry. This acts like a gloss over the top, makes it beautiful and soft. Okay, peeps, finished look for today. Just popped off and put my lashes on, which are not from Rimmel. So yeah, very happy with the casual look for the day. Alrighty, as always, thank you so much for your support and tuning in and subscribing. Please take care of you, and I'll catch you again soon.